Alright, you boys are going to join me for dinner tonight. Baby spinach, wilt that down, shrinks down to almost nothing. So the bread maker has finished a batch after an hour and a half. But here's one I prepared 36 hours earlier. This goat is so disobedient. Alright, we're back. Squeeze all of the water out of the spinach. Next, you're going to mix spinach, feta, and mozzarella. Roll out the dough in a long flat row like this. Chuck the filling on the inside, and then you want to fold over the edges. And that's it. You have yourself a spinach and feta pide, just like you see in the shopping centre food court. So 15 minutes at 200 degrees, and we can get a little bit more crispy. Give it a couple more minutes. That's it. The pides are done, cut up, sitting on a wire rack so they don't go soggy. Enjoy.